Dear, hope you all are fit and fine, obeying your parents, revising according to your portion, and doing the work very nicely because you all are very good students. Now I am going to explain some revision work. First I will explain you the quotation once more. My dear, I am explaining you the same quotation again and again so that you should go through it and make it a part of your life, okay, and bring it into the practice, because unless and until we don't bring in practice these things, we won't be a good human being. First quotation is, truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. If we are speaking truth, we are able to acquire all the other human virtues. That's why it is very important for us to cultivate a habit of speaking truth. See, without truthfulness, progress and success in all the worlds of God are impossible for any soul. When this holy attitude is established in a man, all the divine qualities will be also acquired. Right now I have told you that only if we are truthful, it is very easy for us to cultivate all the other divine qualities, because truthfulness is the base, is the foundation of all human virtues, whichever good moral virtues we are having. We are kind, we are forgiving, we are keeping patience, but foundation is truthfulness. Be the essence of cleanliness among mankind. Cleanliness doesn't mean that if anything is smelling, if it is scattered, I will run away. Cleanliness means I will clean it, I will take time, keep patience and clean it, and I will convey also this message to others so that everywhere it should be clean. See, the clean person is not the one that runs away from dirt. But one who takes the time and effort to tidy up a dirty environment. And my dear, this also can be cultivated right from your childhood. I am not telling to clean whole house, but where you are living, where you are studying, your bed and table at least you can arrange your bag, at least you can keep your things at the one place, means appropriate place. So these habits are cultivated from the early childhood, and I hope you all will do it. Let your manner be sympathetic, let it be seen that you are filled with universal love. Means we should not differentiate among the people, among the animals. My dear, what happens, this temple, mosque or church, these are made by human made things, and we go there and pray, human made idols. But this whole universe God has made, plants, animals, peoples, and we differentiate in them. We should not differentiate. We should be sympathetic, we should be loving, caring, sharing to all the living things as well as our nature. See here, act in such a way that your heart may be free from hatred. Let not your heart be offended with anyone. Not only human beings, my dear, I will tell you to take care of the plants also, of the animals also, because all these things are God made things and we should respect it. Religion is like a school which has different standards. What is the meaning of education? Education means not only to read, write and pass the examination, my dear. Education is to fill an empty mind with a broad mind, with an open mind. And religion is like that only. It teaches us good moral values It teaches us how to live among human beings, how to live in our society, how to be responsible. Religion is that only. It teaches us good moral virtues. That's why it is like a school which has different standards. After passing first standard, we go in the second year, we learn something there also. Again in the standard changes one by one. Like that only in religion, we learn more and more thing. And what thing we learn? The practical things, what makes us responsible towards our society, towards our nation, and towards the nature also. So the purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open mind. Now next is, God willing, thou will be loving and obedient to thy father and mother. My dear, often it happens that we ignore our parents, but we don't know. We have not seen God, but we have seen our parents, and we have seen how much they take care of us. So we should obey our parents and elders, and we should love them also, so that they should be also secured in their life. We never know love of a parent till we become parents ourselves. When we become our parents, then we understand the care taken by our parents. Now here are some match the followings, and you have to match the answers. I have given some word, and the word meaning is the next side, and you have to match it. You will write like this only 1 2 3 4 the next side also. Advice means to give someone some opinion or the right answer. So we can say it opinion also. So this will be one, advised opinion. Replied means when I am asking you any question, what you are doing? You are replying me when you are telling any answer. So replied means answered also. Replied, answered. So here I will write true. Third is refused. Refused means say no, not to agree, disagree. So an idea, damaged, cased, quickly, denied. We can say denied. Refused means denied, not agreed or said no. Harm all of you know. Harm means any hurt, damage, whatever it is. So damage here. Immediately means at that moment only. Suppose I fell down, I got hurt, and immediately you have done the first aid, means quickly or at that moment. So 5 number is quickly. Leapt, pounced. Here it is wrong given. Pounced here is the answer. 7 will be here. Okay, leapt, pounced. And captive is caged. 5, 6. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 immediately, 6 quickly. This will be quickly. Wait, let me do once more. See, advised, opinion, replied came answered, refused means said no, denied, thought an idea, harm means damage, immediately was quickly, leapt here, pounced is that side. This is the answer. Leapt, pounced, and captive, caged. My dear, you all will learn all the word meanings. Okay, then only you will be able to answer this. Clear? Now thank you, my dear. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you all will obey your parents and be a good child. Thank you.